Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Switch docked or TV mode gives stable performance, and both controllers must be paired. Once that's done, sign in the second player with an Epic account or guest profile. Fortnite needs 2 profiles to assign players. Then launch Fortnite and select duos or squads in the lobby. Don't pick solo, split screen won't activate. Doing this now prepares the game to accept a second player and prevents delays when you join the match. Once you're in the duos/squads lobby, have the second player press the join button, plus or X depending on controller. The game will prompt you to assign that controller to player 2 and choose the linked Epic account. Do that immediately so loadouts sync. Make sure both players confirm their outfits and controller settings, because mismatched input can cause confusion. After both controllers are recognized and profiles selected, ready up for both players, and the match will proceed with the split screen view. To finish, verify split screen displays 2 active player views and that voice/chat settings are correct. If player 2 doesn't appear, unplug and reconnect the controller or switch Joy-Con orientation. Sometimes reassigning controllers prompts recognition. If performance dips, play docked and reduce in-game graphics to stabilize frame rate. As a last resort, sign out player 2 and relaunch Fortnite. This resolves most sync errors. Remember, reconnecting controllers and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.